Hey guys, Jay the Jester here, and for a while now, I've been streaming over on Twitch at twitch.tv/jaythejester and posting those streams over here on YouTube. Now, don't worry, I'm not going anywhere, but more recently, I have thought about doing more edited style content for my channel here on YouTube, whether it's editing down my streams or making new content, doing other things that I could then post on the channel. I don't really want to be just a gaming channel. I've always wanted to try and do different things. I just never had the opportunity to, with work and with not having the right equipment. But now I do have a great camera. I have a great streaming setup. I have a pretty good mic that I can use. But the one thing that is still not quite there is my editing computer. Now, the editing computer that I use, I bought back in 2017 from Best Buy, and I've noticed that more recently it's been a little sluggish when it has been trying to render videos. I get errors when I stream and try and record at the same time, other things like that. I think it's time just to get something that I can do more with, has a little bit more power, has a little bit more oomph in it. And I thought today I would go ahead and show you the process in which I went to build everything. So let's take a look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and comment down below. Also, make sure you get subscribed and turn those notifications on because you do not want to miss a minute of what I've got coming soon. Having said all that, I'm going to call this video over.